Hey Colorado, this is Benjamin with Elite Paintless Dent Repair. A question that I get asked often is, should I fix the hail damage on my vehicle? The answer is yes, absolutely. There's three different reasons why you're going to want to fix that hail. Number one is if you're in an accident that totals your vehicle out, your insurer is going to, or the other insurance company if you're not at fault, is going to see that as pre-existing damage. So they would take that $5,000 to $8,000 hail claim and they would subtract it from the value of your car. They're already going to lowball you, so they're going to give it even more. The second reason, equally important, many people say, well, I want to wait for the next hailstorm, which is great in theory, but if it happens a month or 2 months from now, you have all that risk and liability, but also that hail pattern could be different. And a skilled insurance adjuster is going to know right away, this happened in 2 different storms, and it makes it much, much more difficult and more expensive to fix hail on top of different sized hail. Typically, it kind of comes in a pattern, and that pattern follows through. The third reason is it's free. Why wouldn't you take care of it? You have an asset, we can restore the value of the asset for free because we pay your deductible, we put you in a rental car while we do the work. So it's kind of a no-brainer.